Okay, so I have a lot of really delicious recipes coming your way. The first one is my coconut chocolate balls. They are absolutely delicious if you love coconut. My second recipe is a no flour almond cookie. It is so delicious and peanut buttery. It is amazing. Then my third recipe is my skinny Cranberry Bliss Bar from Starbucks. This is so delicious, and I swear every time I go into Starbucks, I'm always craving one of these. They're so fruity and sweet and delicious. It's so good. So here they are, coming your way. Let's get baking. Okay, here are our ingredients. I need to show you this part. Okay, so this is all done. And I'm gonna do the taste test. So I grabbed a fork, a little baby one. So cute. Let's try this. That is so good. Definitely a 10 out of 10. This recipe, if you love Starbucks, you gotta check this out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you absolutely loved it. And I'll give you the ratings for each dessert that I made. So, before this falls off. So the coconut balls, I would rate a 7.5 out of 10. I found they're really delicious, but they were really delicious. I think that as that there wasn't any real sugar in the recipe, it did make it taste a little bit different, but I still think it tasted amazing. I made a double batch. I think it was awesome. The peanut butter cookies were definitely a 10 out of 10. I would make them again. They were delicious. And then the Starbucks Bliss Bar, since it was reduced sugar and reduced fat, I still think it was amazing, even better than the original. So it was definitely a 10 out of 10. So if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at Hannah J. McCrae.